Do you know you can create video products like this in less than 5 minutes? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create product videos like this. You can use any product, being cream, drinking product, food product, in fact, any product you have in your mind, even clothing product, you can create it in less than 5 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step method which you are going to use and create something amazing like this. And without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So to create that type of video you just watch right now, the first thing you are going to do is to head over to the description of this video or the comment section of this video. You are going to see a link. The first link you see, you click on the link. That will be the link to this platform which you are going to be using to create that type of video you just watched moments ago in less than 1 minute. Now, go head over to the description and you click on the link, and when you click on the link, it is going to bring you to an interface like this. Now, the first thing you are going to do is to click on this generate your first AI ID. As you can see here, AID, as you can see, you click on it. Now, when you click on it, it's going to bring you to an interface where you are going to start creating your video. And all you need is just a simple prompt. And the prompt I'm going to be using right now, I'm going to leave the prompt on my Telegram channel. So if you want the prompt, all you just need, you go to my Telegram channel, and the link to my Telegram channel is going to be in the description of this video. So all you need is just the prompt, and with the prompt you can change the name of any product you want to make video about. Now it will bring you to an interface like this after you successfully register. Now when you register, it's going to ask you for reference. Now for our reference, let me upload an image. The first video I want us to create is for maybe a cream, or if you want to do skincare advert product, you want to make a video. The first thing you are going to do, as you can see reference here, you click on reference and you upload the image. Now this is the image I'm going to upload. I'm going to upload an image of a product, that is a cream, Nivea cream, so that we are going to check how the video is, so that we are going to create the videos together. Now it's uploading the image. Let me go and get my video prompt. Now this is my video prompt here. As you can see, this is my video prompt. I have the prompt on my notepad. As you can see, create a 15-second vertical 9.6 UGC style video for, so this is the product. I'm going to put the product name here. I'm going to put the product name here. Nivea. This is the product name. So I'll just copy everything. Don't worry, I'm going to leave the prompt in my Telegram channel. I'm going to leave the prompt. So you just go to my Telegram channel and you are going to see the prompt. So get everything done. Now after this is it, then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on copy it here. After copying the prompt, I'll go back to the platform. Now this is the platform. It's still uploading the image, and I'm going to drop the prompt here. As you can see, I will drop the prompt. You can check out the prompt if you wish. Now I've uploaded the image. This is the image. This is the image. I cannot view the image right now, but I've uploaded the image. Now after you upload the image, the next thing you are going to do is to select your video ratio here. As you can see, then if you want to use it for your TikTok, you select 9.6. If you want to use for your YouTube, you select 16.9. as you can see, but I'm using it for TikTok, so TikTok or Facebook. Now my duration is 15. Now my video quality is 1080p. Now the result I'm expected is one result. Now after you select one result, the next thing you are going to do is to click on this generate. As you can see, you click on generate here. Now wait, before we continue our video, have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to be watching our videos. Now, let's continue with our video. When you click on generate, it will bring you to an interface like this. You click on cancel, you click on generate again. So it's generating our video already. So I want us to also try the second one before that one is done, before we see the result. Let's try the second one. Now, this time we are generating for drink. Maybe if you want to create art for drink, like all these soft drinks or any art for any drink. Now let's go, let's upload our image here again. We also upload image, a reference image. This is the image. We are going to upload this image you are seeing right here. Now let me get my prompt also. Now let's copy our prompt again. The only thing we need to change here, we have to change, this is here, we have to change it to Soprite. We are using Soprite this time. Now, after changing the name, we are copying everything. We copy it again. We copy our prompt. So just like I said, the prompt is going to be in the description of this video. Check my Telegram channel and you are going to see the prompt. Now, the image is still uploading. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to paste our prompt. Also, the image has uploaded finish. The next thing you are going to do is to select your aspect ratio, everything. And after you select everything, you click on generate also. Now let's give it some minutes also and it's going to generate, and this is how you are going to see our result. Now as you can see, the two video is generating already. This is the first one here. Now this is the second one. So let's give it some minutes and it's going to generate our videos, and I'm going to show you guys the result. Now this is the result. This is our first result.
You know when your skin feels tight and dry no matter how much you shower? This has been helping me a lot. It's rich but sinks in quickly, and it keeps my arms soft all through the day. Plus, it gives my skin that healthy glow without feeling greasy. I really like how easy it is to add to my routine. If you want something reliable...
And this is our second result.
You know that moment in the middle of the day when you just need something cool and refreshing? This is what I reach for. It's crisp, lemon lime, and not too sweet. I like that it stays light so I can sip while I'm working without feeling heavy. I really like how it fits into my day. If you haven't tried it in a while, you can check it out online or at the shop.
So guys, you have seen everything right now, how you can start creating everything from beginning to the end. So if you want the link to this platform which I used to create this amazing advert video, the link to this platform is going to be in the description of this video. Just click on it and you get registered and you start creating your videos. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.